China's total import and export of goods expanded 5% year-on-year in yuan terms in the first quarter of 2024, setting new records in both scale and growth rate, official data showed Friday. From January to March, the country's foreign trade in goods stood at 10.17 trillion yuan, according to the General Administration of Customs. Historically, for the first time, the country's foreign trade scale has exceeded 10 trillion yuan during the same period, while the growth rate has hit a six-quarter high. The Chinese economy has continued to gather steam and maintain its upward trend since the beginning of the year. Experts from various countries have hailed China's role as an important driver of global trade, saying China's booming foreign trade benefits other countries.
I think China's development is self-evident. We have witnessed within 20 years what you can call the Chinese miracle. And the synergy that it has created in the global economy through trade, economic development, and through supply chains. There's a win-win for all trading partners and other people who are engaged with the country.
Chinese economy has done well, has recovered significantly, enabling trade so that nations could trade themselves out of recession, nations could trade themselves out of poverty, nations could advance their domestic productivity when there is an international demand, especially the ready market like China.
China's continuous expansion of high-level opening up contributes positively to the world economy by fostering great trade flows, investment opportunities, and technological exchange. It promotes global economic integration, enhances efficient resource allocation, and fosters innovation through cross-border partnerships.